Hi, Jason Phillips from Appraise, autoappraise.com. August 17th, 2013, down at the world famous Back to the Bricks car show. Checking out some really cool vehicles today. Here on the Bricks, I'm with Eric O'Neill, checking out his 1969 Chevelle. Very, very nice modified vehicle. Got Budnik wheels on it. Pearl flames, I don't know if those show up real subtle, but they're there and they're real pretty. The car is a frame-off restoration. Lemon yellow, or lemonesque, I think was the paint color. 411 posi 12 bolt there. Turbo 400 car, matched up to a later 454. We'll show you in just a minute. Real clean underneath. You're looking at a 2.5-inch Dynaflow exhaust system. Headers, G-Force TA radials. You probably see that pearl flame. That is really, really nice. Nice chrome accents on the big block. The inner plastic fenders. This is an Atlanta built car. Power steering, power brakes. It was factory originally air equipped, but that's been tore out long time ago. Edelbrock high rise. Nice looking car. I believe he's actually got this car up for sale down here. So if this is a car you're interested in, you can email us or give us a call, 800-301-3886. It's a nice Survivor interior. Got really clean door edges. Door panels have been changed, he tells me. And he put a headliner in it and carpet. The rest of it, it's all original. It looks like that headliner could stand to be shrunken up, and it's got the seat covers that show a little bit of wear and tear there. Stock gauges, aftermarket gauges underneath the dash, Pro Comp, autometer, GT Grand steering wheel, tilt car. Fire it up, Eric. Take a look at the suspension. Disc brakes. Engine's clean, rebuilt 30 over, if I didn't mention that earlier. Turbo 400 with a 2800 stall. Mild shift kit. Good looking 69 Chevelle. Jason Phillips down at Back to the Bricks 2013 car show. Come on down, it's August 17th. This video may make a YouTube feed before the end of the day. Solid lifter, roller motor. That sounds good. Thanks for watching. Check us out. Leave us some favorable feedback on YouTube and or Facebook. And like I said, this car is a for sale car. Give us a call, 800-301-3886 if you have an interest. Thanks for looking.